There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from home.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Syn, and this is Life with Syn. And today is another Vlogtober day. Don't know what we're doing, but more than likely it's nothing serious because, you know, it's Sunday and we're just really not doing anything. Big just got back from taking my car for an oil change, and I do believe he's about getting ready to, what's he getting ready to do? Oh, change the battery in my car. What is the battery? Not the battery, the bulb. Why am I saying the battery? Honey, it's not the battery, it's the bulb. I think one of my brake lights or clicker is not going great. So, yeah. Everything went great with the oil change? Oh, which bulb is out?
The top right.
Oh, okay. Oh, you did? Okay, cool. And you're fixing yours now?
I'm gonna pull the bulb and hop in yours and run and get a replacement for it.
Oh, okay. Where are you going? AutoZone?
Or over I always wear.
Oh, okay.
So hey, I come out here and I open everything up, in the back of the truck out, I run inside to grab some tools, come back in.
Francine's in the car?
Both of them right there. Francine was in the front and Jasper was right here in the back.
Francine, you going driving? Huh? Look at her. Come over here and say hi to the people.
I don't think they had time to make a mess.
No, I don't think they do. Say hi. Say, my name is Francine and I am the baby's mama that's inside that lady's house. Yeah, this is my girl. Yep, my baby girl. The boys are over there. Okay. Oil change. The car is clean. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogtober. We're about getting ready to make some breakfast, and you'll get to see what we're making for breakfast. What I'm gonna be doing is tidying up around the house, making sure that I got my midweek, you know, calmed down. So I got up early, but I stayed in bed like usual. This time, like, I really laid in bed. I don't know what it was yesterday after work, but let me tell y'all, after work, I literally came downstairs, sat on the couch, and fell to fuck out. Just fell to fuck out. So, let's jump in to what we're making for breakfast. So I was feeling very comfort foodish. It was starting to get gloomy out, and I decided to make some grits. I had some leftover sausage, and I also had some shrimp that I buy, some colossal shrimp. So I'm going to make shrimp grits and sausage. Just throw the whole leftover type stuff into a pan. Kind of have breakfast. So you guys are seeing me prepare the saucepan for the grits, and we're in our night dress because it's still early in the morning, and you know, we're just doing our thing. So I set the stove, get everything ready, then we're pouring the grits in. I usually am the only one who eats grits. Big doesn't, so I try to make enough that I can have like left over for the next day. Now keep in mind, I'm not American. Grits is something I learned to enjoy as I lived in the South, and someone taught me how to make grits. And since I've learned that recipe, I have adopted it at least once or twice a year. I will incorporate it into my fall because I feel like it's a great hearty meal, and it is something I enjoy. And learning how to make it my way has really made me enjoy grits. So that's one of the reasons why I like to eat it. Because at first, the very first time I ever ate grits, I did not like grits at all. Like, it was not. But when the person who is from Georgia, a small town in Georgia, she gave me her grandma's recipe, and literally I have loved this recipe. It makes me enjoy grits even more. I love to put mozzarella cheese in my grits. I do mozzarella shredded cheese, and I also use heavy cream. You guys saw me pour some heavy cream in there. Butter, unsalted butter. I don't use salt. I know some people use it, but the cheese has salt in it, so I don't need to actually add additional salt in mine. I also use Italian cheese. I love Italian cheese as well in there, so that's what I add to my grits. So we add heavy cream, mozzarella, and Italian cheese into the grits, and we stir that up. Make sure I moved it back to the fire. Make sure that, you know, the cheese gets melted and everything gets coated. I probably add like a quarter stick of butter. I don't even remember how much, but look at that beautiful grainy grits with cheese in there. Sometimes if I'm all out and I want to really do cheese, I will add Parmesan cheese. But now we head over to the sink. The shrimp was sitting there. I deveined the shrimp, took off the peel of the shrimp. I usually add a squeeze of lemon on the shrimp to make sure that it's coated nicely. Wash that lemon off, and then I get ready to prepare the shrimp. Yes, I do dry out the shrimp a little bit because it holds water. So we have that shrimp there, and we have some leftover andouille sausage. I believe, yes, that was andouille sausage. For some reason, this sausage was really, really salty, and I don't know why. But it was leftover sausage. I sliced it really thin so that I don't have to use a lot of it. And so that's what I'm doing here, which is kind of good because I want the flavor from the sausage, but I don't want so much salt in the sausage. And then I grab my saucepan out, and we get ready to make what you guys call a roux. But I don't often do it with butter. I think this was the first time I used butter to make my roux. But normally I would make it with olive oil and the flour. And here you guys see me pour the last bits of butter into the saucepan. And then we get the flour, and we're going to actually pour that flour in there and mix it up. Now that we're all simmered down, we got the shrimp looking good. Now it's time to get ready to plate these grits. And so I got out my nice little bowl. I think I got these from either Walmart or Target. I don't remember. And, you know, I'm testing out my video content creation, so I'm showing you different angles of when I'm plating the food. So, you know, comment below and tell me if y'all are enjoying these little different areas of me moving the camera. Here I brought it in close so you guys could see the grits. I love it like that. And then we're gonna top that juicy shrimp and sausage. And look at that, look how nice I'm coming into the plate so you guys get to see it from a different angle. When I tell you these grits turned out really great and I enjoy them, and I hope you enjoyed this too. And guys, just like that, we have breakfast. Let me try to bring you guys in the light so you guys could see me much better. There we go. So breakfast is ready. You guys saw that I made shrimp, sausage, and grits for breakfast. You may see the cameo of the Dunkin' Donuts. While I was preparing breakfast, Big actually stopped off at the house to get his raincoat because he's doing a job near the house. So he brought me coffee, and I was getting ready to actually make coffee, but we can make coffee later. Actually, I can make coffee now, put it in the refrigerator so that when lunchtime comes, I have some iced coffee. So I think that's what I'm gonna do still, but I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna eat my shrimp and sausage grits and sit down at the kitchen table, get some work done, and then head out to the office. Today's a gloomy day. It's supposed to rain. We haven't had rain in weeks, and today's supposed to be really rainy. So today's supposed to be really rainy, and today just low-key. I didn't put no makeup on. I did my skincare routine, put this wig back on my head because I've been rocking with it all week. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. I will see you back here tomorrow. And yeah, bye guys.